Huffy Bikes Review. Pricing explained, what you get for your money. Huffy Bikes isn't just another brand on the shelf. You won't believe how much variety and value they pack into every model. Most people get this wrong by thinking Huffy is only for entry-level riders, but the surprising truth is they offer bikes for kids, adults, cruisers, and even mountain biking enthusiasts. Pricing varies depending on the type of bike. Children's bikes generally start around to offering features like adjustable seats, training wheels, and safety-focused designs. Adult bikes, including cruisers and road bikes, range from to giving riders solid frames, reliable gearing, and comfortable designs. Specialty models, like mountain bikes or performance-oriented bikes, can go up to or more. Most people get this wrong by assuming higher-priced bikes are always better, but Huffy balances affordability with durability, making it a practical choice for casual riders. One of the standout points is the lifetime warranty on the frame for most models, which is rare at this price range. You won't believe how reassuring it is for parents buying kids' bikes or casual riders investing in their first adult bike. Additionally, Huffy includes assembly instructions and safety features that make the bikes ready to ride right out of the box. In conclusion, Huffy Bikes pricing reflects the range, quality, and features offered. By choosing the right model for your age and riding style, you get excellent value for your money. For families, beginners, or casual cyclists, Huffy delivers reliable bikes without breaking the bank.